Is your Google Home Mini not responding? Forgetting your Wi-Fi? Or maybe you're selling it and need to wipe your data. Whatever the reason, a factory reset is usually the fix. Here's how to reset it in under 30 seconds. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset button. On your Google Home Mini, flip it over. See that little circular button at the bottom? That is Reset button. Step 2. Perform reset process. Make sure your Google Mini power on. Now press and hold Reset button for about 15 seconds until you hear a confirmation sound.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
This clears all your data, your Wi-Fi settings, preferences, everything. You'll need to set it up again in the Google Home app like it's brand new. That's it. Hope this guide helped you to reset your Google Home Mini. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more Google guides. Thanks for watching.